So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to convert PDF files or tables into Excel tables without having an error. And at the same time, if you are working on projects either in a school or a bank or just personal project, and you have a lot of data and it's written in PDF and you want to convert them into Excel, this video is for you. So let us start. So here I have just a normal file, PDF file, that I want us to convert directly to Excel. So first thing that you do is you have to open your Excel. I'm using the Excel app. So if you're using any other Excel, like let's say, for example, the model from 2016, 2017, or 2018, it can still do this for you. It can still perform this task for you. So I've just given you an example. I have this a PDF file or data. Let's say, for example, I just want to copy and paste. And let me do that so that I can show you the error that is going to make. So if I come here and paste my data, you find out that it will not just be in a table form. So it will come in a text, and I don't want this. I want to convert it into a table form in Excel. So what I will do is there's many ways we can do that. So let me first close this. What we can do is you will come to data. So you will click on this part that is called data. Then you can see the ribbon opens here. There is this section, the first one that says get data. So once you click on this, you can go to from file. So from file, you also have so many options here that you can use, but let us use from file, then directly from PDF. You can also use this, then click on it like that. It takes some time, so it depends with how faster your laptop is. So once it's done, it will take you to a place where you have saved your file that you want to convert. Then you can click on it, then click import. So this one is the first option where you just import your data from PDF to Excel file without even without using any tool online or making an error when it comes to converting your data. So once it's done importing your PDF file, you'll see how it will appear on this Excel canvas. So we can see there is this file that has come here. You can see we have table 1, table 2. So click on it and check here. You can also see table 2, 3, like that. So let's say I want to import table 1 into Excel, then convert it into a table. Once I click on load, it will automatically bring in this table or data from that table. Now you can see it is directly converted from PDF to table, directly converted from PDF file to table or converted from a PDF table to Excel table with just directly without any error on it. The next option that we can use is we can go to data, then export, convert our table using the from web. So what you do first, you go back to your file where it is saved like this, then right click on it. Once you right click on it, go to this option that says open with. So you will open with Google Chrome. So once you click on that, it has opened in another window. So I will just it has opened on another monitor. So here it is. What you will do is you will come here and copy this link. That is the link that we will use. So go back to your Excel like this, then from web, click from web like this. Once you click on it, wait for something to pop up. So it will this one will come up saying from web. There's the basic and there's advanced. So you will copy the URL that you copied from your web there. That is the file that I want. Then click OK. Once you click OK, it is also going to import or bring your tables. You can see they are here. they come here. This is the second option. So from here, you can select the table that you want to convert from your PDF to Excel without any error or using any online software. So this is very easy. You can also decide to select multiple items. Like for example, let's select the second one, third, fourth, and fifth table like that. Then click on load. So you find out that your data will be converted directly from the PDF tables to Excel tables without any error. You can see it saying complete. So once it has completed, our Excel tables will appear here. So just to give it a moment, depending on the speed of your machine, retrieving data, saying it's retrieving data. So give it a moment. So once it's done, your tables will appear here. So let me click on table 2. You can see when I bring here my cursor, you can see the information is here that is converted. Then you can also see the information from this one, from this table. So it takes time, but you can see the information is here that you want to convert. You can also delete, you can also edit your table. There's so many options. I'll take you back to this. So that is how you can convert your PDF tables to Excel tables without having any error or just copy pasting, and it brings a lot of errors, or just going to online and paying for a certain software. So you can use just this simple way using Excel, and that is how easy it is. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you drop a like, you drop a comment, and you subscribe to it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.